It's Alan with TabTech, and what we got here today is a brand new iPhone 13 Pro straight from T-Mobile. Just got it earlier today, and what we're going to do is network unlock this. We are going to SIM unlock it. Again, it's locked to T-Mobile. Only T-Mobile network will work on it, only T-Mobile SIMs. What we're going to do is simply unlock it with this TabTech unlock SIM card. Very easy, easiest unlocking solution for any iPhone. Any iPhone. You can get these on www.tabtechunlocksim.com. We have single-use SIM cards. We have reusable unlock SIM cards. Very easy to do. Now, let's go ahead and open this up. I went ahead and signed into Wi-Fi because when you unlock these, the prerequisites is you have to be connected to Wi-Fi and you have to be on the latest iOS. So you got to be in the latest software and connected to Wi-Fi. So I went ahead and did that. Didn't sign into the phone, didn't do anything. Just connected it to Wi-Fi and made sure it was on latest iOS 15. So what we're going to do is peel this off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put an AT&T SIM card in there. Show you that the SIM card is not supported. And then I will unlock it and show you that it works. That simple. AT&T SIM. Let's go ahead and pop this sucker in here. Okay, what we're going to do is turn it on. There we go. Now these will not unlock your phone if it's iCloud locked. It will not work if the phone is blacklisted. Let's see. Continue. Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, go through the setup process. It's as simple as putting one of these in. You're going to type an ICCID number in, and it'll unlock it. See, SIM card not supported. It was an AT&T SIM we put in. Again, this is a T-Mobile device. So what we're going to do is that AT&T SIM is not supported. So go ahead and turn this off. And we will put one of ours in. Let's see. Now, let's choose any one of these here. All the same. Let's choose this one. Take the nano SIM out like that. Put it in here. Now, when unlocking, it'll ask for the ICCID number. We have a current list of all working ICCID numbers on our website at tabtechunlocksim.com. Most current up-to-date ICCID numbers that work. We update ours daily. If you are in need of an ICCID number, just go to tabtechunlocksim.com. You can get them there. So once you put this in, it'll probably after 30 seconds, 1 minute, it'll ask you for an ICCID number. Simply type it in. It'll unlock it. That simple. Okay, you can see up in the status bar, no signal. Now, that's because it's working in the background. It's connected to Wi-Fi. It's network unlocking, right? You saw I just put the AT&T SIM card in there, and it said SIM not supported. So we'll wait for the ICCID number input to pop up. Simply type it in, and it'll unlock. Like I said, we have reusable SIM cards. It'll work on an unlimited number of iPhones. We have single-use SIM cards. That'll just work on one iPhone. Let me type this in here and it will get this unlocked. There we go. 891-1403-2704 21-600-412. Mistyped the very last one. Okay. You're going to hit send. See? Success. Accept. It's unlocked. So what we're going to do is we're going to power this down. All right. I'm going to take this out. And put this AT&T SIM back in. Power it back on. So the easiest unlocking solution for iPhones. This will work for any iPhone as long as it's on Wi-Fi, as long as it's updatable to the latest iOS. Those are the only two prerequisites. It'll also work on iPad. See? Boom, unlocked. Remember when we first did it, it said SIM not supported? I just put the AT&T SIM in and you're good to go. This will unlock iPad, GSM iPads as well. iPads that you can insert a SIM card into. Again, will not work on blacklisted devices. Will not work to iCLOUD unlock your device. This is only for network, right? So only unlock the SIM card. So if you get, like I just said, wires from T-Mobile and you want to go to AT&T, there you go. If you want to go to Google Fi, Metro, it's that easy, that simple. Don't get overcharged at these overpriced cell phone repair shops. A lot of these ask $50, $60, sometimes even more. Ours are a fraction of that price, and it's a no-brainer. Ship every day. So just go to www.tabtechunlocksim.com, tabtechunlocksim.com, and you can unlock your iPhone. It's that easy. All right. Thank you. Peace.